Good morning, everybody. Today for Fundations, we are going to talk about a suffix. And this suffix that we're going to talk about today is ES. I wrote down the word bed bugs. When I'm talking about more than one bed bug, it just gets an S. But there are special words that get an ES at the end. And I'm going to tell you the trick now. So I'm going to erase bed bugs. We notice that bed bugs ends with that letter G, okay? So that would just get an S at the end. But if I want to know a trick, any word that ends with an S or an X or a CH or an SH, okay? All of these, if they end with any of these letters, they get an ES at the end. And I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so let's just take the word box. Okay? If I write the word box down, but I want to talk about more than one box, I'm going to put an ES at the end. So it becomes boxes. Now, box ends with an X, so it fits in our pattern. Okay? So there's one. So we've got boxes. Now, what if I want to talk about my boss? All right. So boss gets that bonus S at the end. So it ends with an S. So instead of putting it just another S on the end, we need to write ES to be the word bosses. Okay. So boxes, bosses. So what is the base word of boxes? Did you say box? Good. What is the suffix then? Yes. All right. What is the base word of bosses? Did you say boss? Oops. Mrs. Holman got crazy with her circle. Yes, the base word would be boss, and the suffix is ES. All right. So we'll practice a couple more. So what if I took the word glass? And glass has that double S at the end. So the suffix, if we wanted more than one glass, would be to write ES. All right. Glasses. So let's think of a word that ends with CH. Okay. Oh, it just came up, rich. Okay, so it ends with a CH. So again, we're going to have the ES at the end. It becomes riches. I'm going to talk about my many riches. All right. Let's think of a word that ends now with SH. I just came up with wish. Okay, so to make it more than one wish, or plural, that's called, I would add the ES at the end because it ends with that SH. And it becomes wishes. All right, so we'll practice this throughout this week throughout this week. Okay, now before we are done for today, we're going to practice a couple of our trick words. So I wrote down a sentence, okay, and we have two trick words in this sentence today, okay? This is the word there. Remember, there, that's spelled like this, means it belongs to someone. So this sentence is talking about their dad. So that belongs to somebody. I could say their house. I could say their drink. And this is how you spell there when you're talking about that. Their dad is being funny. Read it with me. Their dad is being funny. One more time. Their dad is being funny. All right. So our trick word that we're going to focus on this week is there and being. All right. Thanks for joining me today. Have a good day.